If you've been training abs like crazy, but your six-pack is still ghosting you harder than your ex, you're probably making these mistakes. Let's fix them right now. Mistake number 1, crunch overload. If you're doing 200 crunches a night, you're not building abs. You're just practicing bad posture. Crunches only hit a small part of your core. Real abs come from mixing it up. With planks, leg raises, and twists, variety builds definition. Mistake number 2, training abs every single day. Abs are muscles, not some magical alien tissue. They need rest to grow, just like your chest or legs. Hitting them 2 to 3 times a week is plenty. Every day just burns you out, without better results. Mistake number 3, no progressive overload. Your body adapts. If you're breezing through 30 sit-ups without breaking a sweat and your abs are chilling, add resistance. Hold a backpack, slow the tempo, or use tougher variations. There are multiple options out there. That's how you force your abs to grow. Mistake number 4, ignoring your lower abs and obliques. Most people only train the upper abs with crunches, and that's how you end up with a flat midsection instead of a full six-pack. Add exercises like reverse crunches, lying leg raises, and side planks to hit everything. Mistake number 5, thinking abs workout burn belly fat. This is the biggest myth in the fitness industry, but let me tell you clearly, abs are made in the gym, correct? But they are revealed in the kitchen. You can have the strongest core in the world, but if you're eating like The Rock on cheat day, they'll never show. Calorie deficit plus consistent training equals visible abs. So here's the recap. Stop spamming thousands of crunches. Don't train abs every day. Use resistance. Hit your lower abs and obliques. And remember, fat loss happens in the kitchen, not in your living room. Fix these, and your abs will finally stop ghosting you and start showing up. And if you want me to break down the diet, calories, and exact time it'll take you to get abs, just comment the word diet below, and I'll make a full video on it.